what is the ground, what are the charges. We had detailed meetings with the enforcement agencies, the state police, excise, GST, revenue intelligence, CISF, income tax, enforcement directorate, border security force, airport authorities, Reserve Bank of India, narcotics bureau, railways. Why? The purpose behind this was that they all come together and create a situation and a environment which ensures that elections are inducement free. There is no scope for the freebies to be distributed, the cash to move from one place to another or to be distributed, drugs, which is a very, very serious issue, is not transited from here or not consumed here. So we have given directions to everybody and they will be on their job very strictly. They'll have checkposts at all the interstate and international borders manned by also the paramilitary forces wherever necessary. They will have CCTV cameras there. The Narcotics Bureau will have close look at the route which is used for the transit. Air Intelligence Unit will keep a check on all the planes or the choppers coming into the state or going out of the state. This is in addition to the scheduled commercial flights. If any chartered flight is coming or if any helicopter is coming to the state, the mechanisms are being put by these agencies in place that they come to know of it in advance, and there are standard protocols to do the checking of those things also, so that there's nothing irregular or illegal which comes into the state to influence the elections or to disturb the level playing field at any stage. The GST and the CBIC would keep a watch on the warehouses so that nothing is stocked there for distribution at the time of elections or before the election. All these directions have been given, and we are sure, we are committed that it is peaceful, it is transparent, and it is inducement free. Friends, with the help of all of you, this is what we wanted to convey. And also, media has always been Commission's very close ally, because you are the eyes and ears. It's through you that we hear what is happening in the state, and it is only through you that we communicate to the voters. So today, we would like to communicate through you to the voters of Meghalaya that they come in large numbers, vote, youth, young, male, female, PWDs, old alike, and also use our applications to tell us vigilantly if there is anything which is happening against the instructions or against the law. Thank you very much.
I'll now take questions from you. I would request you, before you ask your question, kindly introduce your name and media organization.